Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will tell you how you can download and install the latest and official version of VS Code on your Windows 10 or 11 in just 1 minute. So let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and then type VS Code download in the search bar and press enter. Open the official website. Now press the Windows button. I will save it on the desktop and click on Start Download. This might take some time depending on your internet speed. The download is complete. Now right-click on the setup and click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes here. Click OK. Accept the agreement and click Next. Click on Create a Desktop Shortcut, then click Next. And click on Install. Wait for a little bit. Uncheck and click Finish. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Virtual Comrade for more tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.